Hello everyone, this is Ryan here. It's July 21st, 2025, 8:57 in the evening. So yeah, it is raining, and there we go guys. Already got a measurement already. Look at that, there you go. Temperature's already dropped, it's 16.2. Wind has died right down. It was absolutely windy. Let me pause for... There's the max wind speed right there guys, 11.16 kilometers. Look at that, it was pretty windy for the system moving, so there we go. Love this thing so much. Anyway guys, I'll give you guys the total rainfall after the system passes.